Now, where are the files stored on the iPad? How does that work? Let's get started. So, as you know, you have, for example, the photos stored in the Photos app and, some different things in different applications. But for some general files, like, the spreadsheets, Word documents, and stuff like that, well, these are all stored and a part of the Files app from Apple, right? So this is what it looks like. It's a white icon with a blue folder on it. And in there, you can literally just browse all of the selections and locations, right? So the main location is likely going to be the on my iPad, which is the local storage. And in there, you have individual folders and you can put anything you want in it there. Outside of that, you also have other locations. For example, when you connect something, right, like a actual USB or external drive, it is going to appear right there. But you also have cloud storage in here, which you can access, like your iCloud drive, which is a place where you can store files, but naturally not locally, but on the cloud. You can also put here the Dropbox or Google Drive. So in this app, you have more options to control a lot of stuff. What's important to know is that this application might actually be deleted, whether by accident or intentionally. Well, if you do notice that it is simply not present on your iPad, you can always retrieve it back from the App Store. Like, it is always going to be there, so it's pretty simple. It's from Apple, it's official and free, so you can always just get it back whenever you need. It's also important to mention that files might be stored in some different apps outside of this file browser. There are so many different documents and file browser apps you can get from the App Store, third-party solutions where the files are going to be stored within that application instead of the files from Apple. So yes, it is kind of important to know where you have some things at. It's not kind of unified storage just like you have it on a computer. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you have some additional questions about this, but also check out this channel below as I have some other tutorials explaining similar topics. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.